Hello, welcome to the Elephant Robot Teaching Class. Introduce course. This lesson will teach you how to control robotic arm using the C++ driver library. It can be used for joint, low, gripper control and etc. It supports Microbot 280M5 and Microbot 320M5. This course will be divided into 3 parts. The first part is preparation before class. Before learning the basic course, you need to prepare the equipment used in the following videos and understand the related knowledge of the robotic arm, C++ language. The second part of the main environment is to build the environment required to run the Microbot CPP case. The third part is a basic course which explains the use of some functions in detail. The system demonstrated in the video is Win 10. And the robotic arm is Microbot 280M5. Open the website or scan the QR code below with your mobile phone. You will enter the official website of Elephant Robot to view the detailed introduction of the robotic arm. The C++ language inherits the advantages of the C language, and the use is concise and flexible. At the same time, it has object-oriented features such as encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism.